Hello friends, welcome to Tables Ware Recipes. The warm weather has arrived, so today we bring you a very fresh and delicious recipe. We're going to prepare a pesto salad. Pesto has its roots in the 16th century, specifically in Genoa, Italy. Authentic pesto made with basil, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, and Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. Now, we moved over to the 1950s and people start using this pasta sauce in salads, which combines real well and brings that freshness. It's very easy to make. This recipe was given to us by some friends and I think you're gonna love it. So now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need for our pesto: 4 ounces of fresh basil, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 3/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 garlic cloves, 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. For our salad, 2 avocados, 1/2 pound of cherry tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1/4 of a red onion, 10 ounces of mozzarella pearls, and 1 lemon. We're going to start by preparing our pesto. In a food processor, we're going to put all our basil, we're going to add our pine nuts, our garlic cloves, and our Parmesan cheese. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to start by pulsing until everything starts incorporating. Once all our ingredients have been chopped, we're going to start adding our olive oil in a stream to start making our pesto. And that's it, our pesto is ready. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and set it to the side. Our pesto's ready. We're going to prepare our veggies for our salad. But before we do that, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments to request any recipe that you would like to see in our channel. And at the end of this video, don't forget to give us a like. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our pesto salad. Now let's prepare our salad. We're going to start by peeling our cucumber. If you're using an English cucumber and you like the skin, you can leave it on. I'm going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it into small pieces. Once all our cucumber is cut, we're going to put it in a bowl. Next, we're going to chop our cherry tomatoes in halves. And we're going to add them to the same bowl as our cucumbers. Next, we're going to cut our onion finely. I only use 1/4 of an onion, so I'm just going to use half of this and chop it. And you guessed right, add it to the bowl. Now we're going to start opening our avocados. We're going to remove the pit. And using a spoon, I just want to take all the avocado outside, and we're also going to chop it into small squares. And back to the bowl. Now we're going to start tossing our salad. Then we're going to add the juice of our lime. This is going to help with the avocado not to oxidize. We're going to toss it again. Make sure everything is covered with that lemon juice. And now it's time to add our mozzarella pearls. We're just going to combine. And lastly, we're going to start adding our pesto. I made a lot of pesto. I'm going to reserve for other dishes. So I'm just going to use like 2 or 3 spoons. When you put the pesto in the fridge, make sure to cover it with olive oil. And now we're going to finish tossing, and we're ready to serve our salad. Quick and easy, our pesto salad is ready, and it looks excellent. Let's try it.
Pick a little bit of everything. Tomato, avocado, cucumber.
Wow. It's really good, very refreshing. The creaminess of the avocado, also with the mozzarella, and that pesto. Wow. You can also use the same recipe for a pasta dish. Try it for this hot weather. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.